Welcome to the Haveli Quarters Heritage Walk. Let's explore the oldest part of Diu city through its stories. This is the house of the last surviving weaver in Diu. Would you like to guess why this street is called Kushalpara? This style of architecture on the doorway can be found in another continent, which had a long-term trade connection with Diu. Most of the temples in the town are built few feet underground. Would you like to guess why they built like this?